How to track habits in Notion. So first go to Notion and then click on templates here at the bottom left. And then search for habit tracker. Now once you're here, you just need to select any of the templates here that you want to use. So for example, I'm going to use this first one here. Click on it and then just click on add again, or just click on add. Now here you can see the habit tracker. Just click on this one and then you can see now you have a tracker. So here you can start adding your habits, and then you can also add the description of what you're trying to do with that habit. So let's say you have a habit of reading. You can see the description here, read 1 chapter of a book at least per day. So if let's say you're done doing that just today, you can just click on done here. You can also see the what day on the current week did you do that, and you can also see the streak here. You can also you can see the you can also visualize here what day it was on this calendar here at the bottom. And of course, if you want to see the overview, you can just click on upgrade plan, or just upgrade your plan to see your overview of your tracker. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.